Today we will discuss about some examples on atmospheric refraction. So there are various observations we see in the atmosphere due to refraction, like your wavering or flickering of object near a fire, or twinkling of stars, or apparent star positions, like planets. Why don't planet twinkle? You have also observations like advanced sunrise and delayed sunset. So these observations, what we see in the atmosphere, we will discuss today. First, let us discuss what is wavering or flickering of object near a fire. I have taken here a simple experiment to understand what is flickering of object or wavering of object. You see, this is a room heater. Okay, this is a room heater. When the room heater is on, it gives heat to the atmosphere. So this area of the atmosphere will be heated. And we know if the air of this area will be heated, then its refractive index will decrease. That means it will be rarer, the medium will be rarer, and this medium, side medium, will be denser medium. So light coming from denser medium to rarer medium suffers refraction. This is a this is a object. Light coming from this object, when passes from denser medium to rarer medium, it suffers refraction. But this rarer medium is not fixed. It is because of the heat is turbulent. Heat coming from this heater, it is not streamlined, it is turbulent. So this medium is not a fixed medium, fixed rarer medium. So when light travels from this denser medium to a non-stationary rarer medium, then its path will change. Continuously its path will change. So when its path will change, it looks to the observer. This object will look to this observer flickering or wavering. Okay. So consider a room heater producing heat as shown in the figure. The stream of hot air above the heater is turbulent. The refracting medium above the heater is not stationary. Light coming from an object from denser medium passes through a non-stationary rarer medium. This makes wavering or flickering of object, okay, near a fire. Similar flickering is also observed in if you put an object near a blaze of fire. Okay, near a blaze of fire, you also observe the same phenomena, wavering or flickering. Next, we will discuss what is twinkling of star. So star twinkles because in between star and earth, the medium is not stationary. Basically, the atmosphere is not stationary. The refractive index of the atmosphere is changing. So the physical condition of the Earth's atmosphere are not stationary. Light coming from the star passes through a non-stationary mediums. This is the reason of the twinkling of star, because when light passes through different non-stationary mediums, its path will be a zigzag one. Okay, so twinkling of star is due to basically non-stationary atmospheric refraction of starlight. Next we will discuss The star, why the star appears slightly higher or above than its actual position when viewed near the horizon. You see, this is the actual position of the star, and the atmosphere above, this is the atmosphere above the Earth's surface, and we know the atmosphere above the Earth's surface is rarer. Okay, air higher up in the sky is rarer, but that near the Earth's surface it is denser. So as you go from up to down, the medium will be more denser. And we know when light travels from rarer medium to denser medium, it bends towards the normal. So you see, light is coming from the star, and when it travels from rarer to denser medium, it is moving towards the normal. Okay, so if you produce this line in this direction, then this will be the apparent star position. Okay, so when light from the star comes from rarer medium to the denser medium, it bends towards the normal. Due to this refraction of starlight, the star appears to be at a higher position. Okay. Another important phenomena we generally see in the atmosphere, plants don't twinkle, stars twinkle, but why don't planets do not twinkle? Consider a planet as a collection of large number of point-sized sources of light. Okay, so if you take a planet like this, it consists of a large number of point-sized sources. You may consider just like stars. Okay, and when 50% of the point source twinkle bright and other 50% twinkle less bright, that is dim, you may say dim. That means 50% is producing bright light, and 50% of these dots or small stars, they produce less bright light. Then what will happen? Then the twinkling effect will be reduced, or it will be nullified. That means the net effect will be equal to 0. So planet do not twinkle, but your star twinkles. Next, why advanced sunrise and delayed sunset? Actually, the sunrise, what we see, it is before 2 minutes. It happens before 2 minutes, and the sunset, what you see, it also happens before 2 minutes. Why it is advanced? You see, this is the earth. If you draw a tangent here, okay, this will be the horizon, and this is the real position of the sun. If light will come from the real position of the sun like this, a man here cannot see the sun. But we know the earth have an atmosphere. This is the atmosphere of earth. You see, this is the atmosphere of earth. Light is coming. When light will come from this sun here and go like this, okay, and here what happens? Here the medium is rarer, and towards the surface of earth the medium is denser. So when light travels from the rarer medium to denser medium, it bends towards the normal. So light will bend like this. Okay, so if you produce the light ray in the backward direction, so this will be the apparent position of the sun. Okay, so this is the reason why we see the sun 2 minutes before the sunrise or sunset. Okay, when the sun is below the horizon, we cannot see the sun here. The real sun cannot be seen. Since earth have atmosphere, light coming from the sun get refracted. Okay, light coming from the sun get refracted due to this atmosphere, get refracted, and we can see the apparent sun 2 minutes before sunrise or sunset. So what we are seeing is the apparent sun. Okay,